Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a quiz to your YouTube video. First, open YouTube Studio. Once you are inside YouTube Studio, go to the top right corner and click on the Create button. From the drop-down menu, click on Upload Video. Now select the video file from your device that you want to upload. After selecting your video, the upload process will begin. You will see several steps where you can enter details like title, description, and thumbnail. Fill in the required information and then move to the next step. Now go to the Video Elements section. In this section, you will see different options to enhance your video. Here, look for the option to add a quiz. Click on Add. After clicking on it, you can start creating your quiz. Enter your answers in the answer fields. Make sure your answers are easy to understand. You can also add more than one quiz if you want. Just repeat the same process to include multiple questions in your video. Once you are done adding your quizzes, continue to the next steps, review your video, and then publish it. Thanks for watching.